だけた闇はまだ叫ぶ
Today we're playing Token Fighters on the Koorui S2741LM QD-Mini LED gaming monitor. Today I'll be showcasing the best settings and giving you some analysis on what I'm seeing and comparing it to other monitors or specific settings that I have tailored for this game. Hi friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day. This game dropped and I just had to play it, especially for Wolverine, as you can see here with Ghost Rider, Dr. Doom, and Magneto, my favorite characters. This 4K QD Mini LED gaming monitor is amazing. The panel is awesome. There is no smear, no trails, as you can see here with this video. And this is a very fast-paced game. So please check out the best settings if you want to get this kind of image. I do like the HDR settings here with the game HDR preset, and local dimming here, I do have it on medium, as I do find high to be a tad bit overall lower in brightness, and I like that impact and that saturation, but everyone can do what they want to do on this monitor. But as you can see, everything looks awesome, with the variety of levels you're going to be seeing here on this video. You get the city with all the lights, you get the alley with all the dark scenes. Everything is just popping out of the screen because of that saturation of the QD technology here, especially when you see Magneto. Oh my goodness, this does give the TCL a run for its money, the TCL R94 or the KTC M27P6, but this is brighter than both of them. Color saturation, I would say about the same, but that brightness impact, if you need that brightness because you have this in a workplace, remember it's 4K. If you have this in the living room with a lot of light because, that's just how you roll, this monitor will overpower the sun. I said this before in another video, we should put the sun versus the Koorui S2741LM. Seriously, they should battle it out because this is a brightness cannon over 2000 nits at 50 to 75%. It's unheard of. It's unseen to see something like that. And it's pretty cool that Koorui has that built-in standard. No image retention, no burn-in issues. Again, sometimes some VA or IPS panels do, have image retention. I had that once on my Alienware monitor, one of the D27s. I had an image retention at 240 Hertz, so you got to be careful with that. Maybe that was because it was new technology and, and it couldn't handle the brightness. But what you're seeing here is the brightness cannon. The saturation is amazing. This game looks beautiful on this monitor, and I just had to showcase it. With a variety of levels, you're going to be seeing, I tried to pick out all the different levels with different colors, so you can see that this monitor can handle it with no problem. Especially the ending, man, I lost a couple of times, but I finally overcame and I was able to beat the game. When you look at Deadpool or Carnage or Spider-Man, their colors are truly amazing. Like, wow, it really does pop off the screen. I mean, you can't appreciate these kind of monitors until you see them for yourself. It's easy to write off a monitor, oh, I'm looking at OLED, I'm looking at this or that. Once you see them in person or once you have them in house, it's like, man, I don't want to get rid of it. I don't want to let it go. I don't want to change it for something else, because once you see that saturation or that brightness saturation, it's very hard. I mean, I'm sure you guys all know with QD OLED and W OLED, the first generations, QD OLED just, wiped the floor with W OLED at the beginning. Now everything's tied. W OLED or tandem OLED is catching up. Now with RGB striped pixels and pentatandems, everything is getting a lot closer. And it's, better for us because we get to choose and have a variety of monitors that we all, personally prefer. But when you see a monitor like this, with this color saturation and brightness cannon at the price point of $400 to $500, you can't beat it. Nothing comes close. And it's very hard to go back to a lower powered monitor when you see something like this. But Token Fighters looks amazing. I'm having a blast with it. And I just wanted to showcase more gameplay here with this monitor. If it's on your radar, best settings will be on screen if you didn't see it already, or in the description and the affiliate links. So if you want to try it out, it would help the channel tremendously. Please friends, hit that like button, comment down below, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more POV videos with analysis like I did today among my other videos, and hype the channel please, as we can take every help we can get here. Consider becoming a YouTube member, as it does help the channel tremendously, and I would truly appreciate it. But once again, it's time to game here with Token Fighters on the S2741LM QD-Mini LED gaming monitor.
Out of the way. Here we go. I'm not done. Shield strike. KO. Perfect.
That enough? Get out of here while you're still breathing.
Ready to reinforce, Captain.
Round 2.
Take those right. Get you call. Come on! All right. I'll finish this. Lighten up. At least you're still alive.
Assemble.
I'm prepared.
Round 3. Fight. Not working. Yeah. Shield strike. Come on.
A little gratuitous violence never hurt anyone. Except for you.
Done this. Got this. Shield strike.
No use.
Soaring justice.
Here I am.
All right. KO.
Thanks for the fight!
Okay, after I win, you got time for a selfie?
Brace yourself. Round 1. Fight.
Ready to go.
Hey, go try it. Get you go. Come on.
Yeah. Not today. Not today.
Spinny spin spin!
KO. Shouldn't have got on my bad side.
Attack preparations complete.
Round 2. Fight.
Reach!
X-Force.
I can keep going!
All right.
I can keep going!
Heads up.
I can keep going!
Weapon X.
I'm all good!
KO. Give up while you still have all your limbs. Assemble.
I can go whenever.
Round 3. Fight.
On your left.
All right. Nothing can kill me. Nothing can kill me. Don't mess with me.
Spinny spin spin!
All right. Cut you into pieces.
Spinny spin spin!
Nothing can kill me. Nowhere to run. Nice. That's all.
Alley-oop!
Nothing can kill me.
Out of the way.
KO. I'm the best there is at what I do. Round 1. Fight. Get away.
Not working!
I'll make this quick. Or you felt nothing. Good night. Feral Thread. Feral Thread. Let's go for a ride. Feral Thread.
Not working!
Weapon. Got below. Weapon X. Weapon X. Watch out. KO. Shouldn't have got on my bad side.
Back up on standby. Left.
Round 2. Fight. Weapon X. You go. All right. Like that. Force.
Come on. Classic Wolverine Deadpool team up time.
Come on.
So bad! Sorry!
Yeah.
Dark Zone!
X marks the spot.
Come get some!
Here I come. X-Force. Weapon out of the way. Not today. Shut it up back. KO. Get up, or I'll finish you where you lie. Round 3. Fight!
On your left.
Take this! Going out. Weapon X.
Supporting.
Nothing can kill me. Look out! You know I love you, Snowflake. But I've got a job to do.
Come on. I'm gonna kick your ass. Listo. We done? You better be. I can't stick around. I gotta get back to the shop.